iPhone SE 4 is still far away from its official launch, but the smartphone world is already buzzing with leaks and rumors coming from every corner of the internet. The iPhone SE line is known for offering Apple's robust iOS experience in a more affordable package. A tipster fix, Apple shared a short video clip of the iPhone SE 4 silicone case on his X account, formerly known as Twitter. From the glimpse provided, the silicone case appears to incorporate all the anticipated features of the iPhone SE 4. Noteworthy cutouts include the USB Type-C charging port, dual speaker grills, and dedicated buttons for volume control and muting positioned along the left side. On the right side, a distinct bump suggests the placement of the power button. Additionally, the back cover showcases the camera and flashlight cutout aligned horizontally. Anticipating a step up in quality, industry insiders speculate that the iPhone SE 4 will boast premium materials and a significantly upgraded chipset. Rumored specifications hint at a 6.1-inch wide OLED display with a notch housing the TrueDepth camera array for Face ID authentication. However, there's a growing sentiment among enthusiasts for Apple to consider enhancing the display's refresh rate to at least 90 Hz, a move that could greatly enhance user experience. Expected to draw design inspiration from the likes of iPhone 13, the iPhone SE 4 promises a sleek exterior coupled with enhanced functionalities. Reports suggest that Apple intends to integrate advanced artificial intelligence features into the device, positioning the device to rival competitors such as Samsung in terms of photography capabilities. The prospect of a larger display, improved camera performance, and enhanced battery life underscores Apple's dedication to delivering value within the budget segment. As anticipation mounts, consumers eagerly await official confirmation of whether Apple has addressed the shortcomings of previous models, potentially solidifying the iPhone SE 4's position as a top choice for budget-conscious shoppers. So what do you think about this latest leak? Share your thoughts in the comments below as we eagerly await further developments on this highly anticipated release. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.